So what's up, YouTube? It's my second video, and I wanted to post and make a video and share with you guys the Dodge Ram getting the reverse lights, the 5-inch pods over there. As for the passenger side, I'm still going to use this brace just because it's going to help support the side of the bumper in a way. Except I needed to cut this Y part in order for the pods to fit in, because this piece right here that doesn't exist there anymore is right up against the bumper, so I need to cut that out of the way, and I still need to cut a little bit more of the bumper. I'm gonna trim it just a little bit more and get those pods in there. It's pretty nice. These pods came with a cardboard shit, I can't even think of the name. Anyway, it's basically an outline of the pods. Template. Yes, template. There you go. Use your words, Josh. There you go. Alright. There's a template I used. Use a Sharpie, basically, and as you can tell, I tried to use white out because I just chrome. And it was cold, so there was a lot of moisture I had to work with. But I already got the wiring set up. Not the best, but I did test them. They work. Now it's just getting this cut out properly. Let's see if I have the wires. Oh, I did have the wires coming from the tail light. They're hooked up into this vampire tapped, and I got the ground and all that set up. All I got to do is just plug them in and tape them up, and that way they're kind of a quick disconnect. Makes life a little easier. So I'll finish grinding that up. I got those done, and yeah, get a video showing how bright they are. I did get the pods in the front of my Fortune bumper install, which is amazing. I can send a link to you of where I got the bumper. I didn't get on eBay, but I did get these off of eBay, and that 42-inch curved light bar, and a sport grill, which I need to paint, and eBay headlights. I mean, it's turned out pretty good. eBay tow mirrors. These are the lighted ones. They were a few dollars more, but they're like a reddish, like a blood orange color. They're pretty cool looking. I was hoping they matched my turn signals, but what can you do? I like them. They look pretty good. So I'll probably show a video later of what all the lights look like at night. They are pretty bright. I like a lot. And LED headlight bulbs as well. So maybe eventually going with HIDs, because the LEDs they're kind of bright, but they're not like HIDs. So until next video, bye.